Hello everyone, my name is Keshav Kumar and today I am very excited to tell you a very interesting story of a boy. And before starting the story, I would like to share a quote that is, it is the biggest mistake to believe yourself incapable or useless. So it's a story of a boy. When he was in a school, he was very introvert, he was very self-centered, and he used to be in his own world. Like he don't used to interact with the people. He most of the time he used to spend in himself. But when there is a time when he realized that he was a kind of person, because due to some family bad life experience, and also some psychological problem. But when he entered the 11th class, he after when the result came, he failed in 11th class. That time he was very depressed, and he was he was totally blank at that time, and he was not able to think that how he will manage his family and how he will manage his friends at the same time. And that was the time for a boy where he was not able to think about himself, and he was very like I said, he was introvert kind of person. So he was down at that time. So uh, um, so finally he decided to repeat the class. And when when he started repeating the class, so he that time he committed that I am gonna prove all the people wrong, because it was a time where even their families were also not supporting him, like what kind of problem he has and why he is suffering like that. So it was difficult, but he decided that if someone is not helping me, then I am the only person that I can help myself. I can help himself. So he started studying. He at the beginning it was difficult for him to manage, once he was not used to study even in a single hour, but now he started studying 4 to 8 hours a day. So the result came, he got 6th position in his class. So he was very happy about that thing, but he was normal. But one miracle happened in his with him, that one of the teacher, she was an English teacher, and she called him in front of the class, and she introduced him in front of the class to all the in front of the class, that she was like, so everybody, he is a guy, even he was even not used to pass in the examination, but now he is getting 80 marks out of 100. So it was quite amazing for all of us. It is an inspirational it is an inspiration for all the student who feel himself that I am not good at everything. Because in the beginning I said it is the biggest mistake to believe yourself incapable and useless. So he just proved himself, and at the same time their family were also happy. But it's a say that a man with a dream, a man without a dream is like a bird without a wing. So though he was doing well in his school days, but when he jumped to the college, he was totally blank. Like when he was about to jump to the college life, so he was not decided yet that what he will do, what would be the career option for him. So he was very confused at that time. So he decided to go to the teacher, like who praised him in the like I was telling about the English teacher. So he went to the teacher and he asked that I am very confused, ma'am, and what should I do? Because at this time I am very confused about my career. So instead of guiding him, the ma'am said, see, listen, sorry, I'm so the teacher made him understood that it is not about the success, it is about the improvement of yourself. Now you was the different guy, and now you are a very different children. So don't worry about the career, you just focus upon improving yourself. you know, you have a different capability and caliber. You can improve a lot more thing, because nowadays they don't want your percentage and your anything. They want your extracurricular activity and how you are talented among the people. So so he started thinking about his career by his own. He was not taking help of any other. He was like, I will be the responsible of my life. So apart, the story ends here, but he was totally out of his the self world. Like in the beginning I said, he used to be in the own like he used to be in his own world. So now, but now he was totally changed, and he used to live with the people, he used to interact with the people. Now he started realizing that I am now different